I never thought I'd be one of those people who line up at a food bank. When Chris lost his job last fall, I still thought we'd be okay. I assumed he'd find a job right away, but he didn't. My job at Shea Lewis barely covers our rent and bills. Even though I try to stretch what we get from the food bank, it really doesn't last. Our fridge is empty. Morning, Chef.
Morning.
Good morning, Chef.
Morning, Chef.
Morning, Chef.
How's the prep going? Good. Here's this week's menu. Once you've had a chance to review it, we can go over any questions you might have.
Yes, Chef.
Okay. Looking. Good. Good.
All right, chefs. I'm gonna go do some inventory.
Yes, Chef. Yes, Chef.
What the hell are you doing? Are you stealing from the restaurant? How dare you steal from my restaurant? From me? I trusted you. Get out.
Wait, hold on. Chef Lou, are you saying that you're firing me?
Yes, you're fired.
Wait, no, you don't understand. I can't be fired.
Yes, you can. You're fired.
Maddie, why? Why are you stealing from me?
Chef Lou, I'm so sorry. I've never stolen from you before. I've never taken anything from the restaurant shelf before. Chris lost his job last September. What little savings that we've had, it's gone. After we pay our rent, our bills, we really don't have enough to get by. I've been taking food, leftover food from our customers, taking that home. We've gone to the food bank, but what little food we get from the food bank, it doesn't last. Chef Lou, guys, we're really desperate.
Maddie, you don't need to steal. You can ask us for help.
We're family. We look out for each other.
You know we're there for you.
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that. And Chef Lou, again, I'm really sorry.
Jeez, Maddie. I wish I had known. I'm really sorry. Let's work out together.